We are really in the start, but I would say the sky is the limit.
That combination of a super interesting problem and a super passionate community, that's why I do what I do.
So I've always had an interest in natural sciences and so on, and was amazed how we could use nature and biology for producing biopharmaceuticals. The vision for NorthX is that we want to be the go-to provider for services within advanced biologics for the Nordics and for Europe and also for the rest of the world. Now we are also adding a capability to be able to support our partners and clients with mRNA development and mRNA manufacturing.
Yeah, after my postdoc I moved back to Germany, but I was longing back to Sweden. I think I get really inspired by that we help other people with their idea to get from their idea to a product and then help the patient. And that was basically why I changed the field and changed from the academic role into the industry. And I like the company and the surroundings.
My boss, Agnes, emailed me and said if I wanted to join her for a mRNA meeting in Stockholm, which would then be on my first day here. And then I said, yeah, okay.
What we are implementing here at NorthX is a small to mid-range manufacturing process, which also is very much in line with the fact that there's so many new applications for the mRNA. It's not only for infection disease vaccines, it's also now beginning to come applications within gene therapy, gene replacement, and also manufacturing monoclonal antibodies actually, starting off with the mRNA.
And it's been a really quick process also. I mean, is it 1.5, 2 years ago then we started talking about it, and then...
Yeah, I think it was basically like 2 years ago. We have a collaboration with Cytiva, amongst others, and I think it's really useful discussions. And it's giving feedback from all the sides and around the table. It's good that we have academia with their ideas, we have the manufacturer, and we have Cytiva. We figured out new stuff every day by talking to other people, and I saw collaborators from academia and colleagues.
What we hear is that a lot of the early stage companies and clients, they are actually looking at mRNA very early on in their product development. It's a natural thing to not only look for the protein, but also maybe assess if the product would be suitable for an mRNA modality.
Yeah, I mean, Agnes, you've been leading a lot of the implementation.
I think it's really important, and that we have the possibility to run it first in small scale in our PD labs, so we can test and then we can serve with the process for the GMP manufacturing. So it's really good that we can trigger and then figure out where might be challenges and how to solve them.
Yeah.
So I'm very driven by curiosity, being able to utilize the modern technologies that we see coming, and I'm amazed that we see technologies that we are implementing now. So it's a very vivid and agile environment, helping those clients getting their product to the next step. That is very rewarding.
I mean, coming from the university and then with the pandemic, you have heard about mRNA, and then for this, I mean, now working with it, I have learned so much about all the potential. Like for me, I feel really proud of being on a company that put in so much effort in developing a new mRNA line. So that's just amazing.
It feels like doing something good, which will be used, useful, and which is needed. So that
it has a purpose.
Yeah, it's always fruitful to step out of the own box and outside of the comfort zone, because I think that's where we are learning the most. It's just making us more bold, and we learn from it.
Innovation at NorthX, that is us using our capability and our very skilled people to transform a good idea, a creative idea, to something that brings value, that actually brings value to the clients and the patients eventually.
Excited?
Yes. Yes, I am excited about the new facilities. As I think it's always excited about new projects. Just working with this mRNA, and one is exciting about the process, but also seeing where the journey goes and where is mRNA used for. So what are the different fields? So I think that's basically the most exciting part.